Hello, my beautiful darlings. How are you? Listen, as you all know, we are about to start the 10-day smoothie cleanse tomorrow. But I'm starting today so that I can be ready for tomorrow. It's a thing. I'll explain. Okay. So we got sea moss. Sea moss. But a lot of you don't know what sea moss looks like until it's like in a gel form or like a powder. I'm not doing the powder. I am doing the gel. So, this is what it looks like fresh out the bag. I just like kind of tasted sea moss-ness. Anyway, so I'm taking it out. I'm gonna walk you through the process, and then we're gonna have nice sea moss gel. Are you excited? I know I am. So we're gonna take out a little less than half of the bag. That's what we're doing, okay? I'm not that person that's gonna sit here and weigh it all. I'm just gonna take out the amount that I need, okay? Then we rinse it. I myself personally clean it for a good, I'd say 2 minutes like this. And then I do this. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Do, 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 do. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Give it a back, give it a back. Give it a back. What? Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Look at all the dirt and debris that's in there. It looks like you're at the beach. So once you've given it a good thorough washing, what you want to do is kind of go through it. Just look at it as much as you can, just to see if you can find anything that doesn't look very clean. Like this, you see that? It's not that it's dirty, it's just that you don't want to eat it. So I know that you noticed that I'm using regular tap water. It's only to clean it off. I'm gonna soak it. I'm gonna soak it for about, probably about 10 hours. And you can do anywhere between 6 and 12. I'm gonna do probably around 10. Now, the thing is with soaking it, I'm gonna soak it in spring water. The reason I'm gonna soak it in spring water is because it gives you those minerals that you need without the fluoride and all of the added crap that's in your tap water, okay? So I'm washing my bowl out because I cleaned the sea moss in that bowl, and I want to make sure all the debris is completely out before I start soaking. So we are putting in lime juice. And this lime juice is organic. These are organic limes. It's one organic lime. You cut it in half, and you make sure that the lime is all over. And you actually just drop it right in. You just kind of let that all settle in until it actually smells like lime. It smells good now. It doesn't smell fishy like it did before. So again, we're gonna be using spring water, and we're gonna fill it up. Now, this is gonna double in size, so we wanna just put it right on top. We're gonna give it enough space to expand. Cover the sea moss and allow it to rehydrate.
10 hours later.
Good morning, everybody. Today is officially tomorrow. Okay, today's tomorrow to me. Okay, anyway, so do you want to see what the sea moss looks like? All right, you guys. Ooh, look at that. So it's a lot bigger. It's a lot thicker. It soaked up all of the water. You see the lime is in there, and as soon as I took off the plastic wrap, honey, I started smelling lime as opposed to fish. Woo! So the first thing that we're gonna do is drain all of that water out. You're gonna take out your lime. And you guys, it's already a bit gel-like. You're gonna put that right in your blender. See that? It already looks like the gel. So initially, I am not going to put any additional water in it. Honey, this is where the magic happens. Look at that. Oh, this is liquid coal. Okay, it's like liquid, like cream. Liquid cream. Liquid cream. So I'm going to be using this over the next 10 days for my smoothie challenge, and I am excited because this has so many vitamins, minerals, everything that your body needs to be big and strong. So try it. Let me know how it works out for you. Does your sea moss come out gel-like? Because like right now it's a bit runny, but by this time, 2 hours from now, it's going to be gel.